Our next concept is formatted console IO. That means formatted console input output operation. See, it is divided into two categories. In that, first one, formatted console or the standard IO operation. Next one, formatted file IO operation. See, we in previous classes already I have discussed about the formatted console or the standard IO operation. So for your understanding, I'll explain it again. But today more focus is on the formatted file IO operation. So see here, formatted console IO. In that, it is divided into two types. What are those? Formatted console or the standard IO operation. Formatted file IO operation. So coming to the formatted console or standard IO operation. See, in this, under this we have two functions. First one is the width function. So the default width, if you take the width, what happens is, if you want any space to how many characters you want space, you will include within the width function like this. If you want space for the 20 spaces for the character, you will give 20 like this. That means you get space for the 20 characters. This is about the width. See the program, int main cout width set to 20. This is the first output statement, width set to 20. Next, cout end line. Next, after this, next line, and then you will have start output statement, start. See, width set to 20, fine. In the next line, start I have. Clear till here? Next, cout width of 20. See here, after the start, I need to get the 20 wide spaces. That means 20 characters that should be empty. See here, it is empty. Up to 20 characters, it is empty. Next, cout 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3. End. I have end. Then end line is for going to the next line. Return 0. So simply width is for giving the space. If you want 15 character space, you can include 15 here. If you want 50 character space, you can include 50 here. This is about the width. Fine. Next we have fill. See, in simple term, what is this fill means? See here we have this empty space. No, if you want any characters here, using the fill, we give that character. That is, if you want asterisk, you give it like this. Fill asterisk, you will get the asterisk in place of white space. How you get that? You see now using this program. See, width set to 20. Cout end line start. See, this is the same program, previous program. Width of 20. Because to know the difference, we are writing the previous program again. 1, 2, 3 end line start. See, till here same. Till here same as in the previous program. So next what is happening? See, okay, cout width of 20, fine. See, next we are giving cout fill asterisk. That means it is filling the character asterisk in place of the white space. Okay, see, we'll see in the output. Cout 1, 2, 3 end line. See, in the place of the 20 white spaces, what you are filling here? Fill asterisk. No, we are filling the asterisk symbol, and then I have this output 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 there here. See. Next I have end as the output. End line. Understand the difference between the end line and end. This is end is the output statement. End line, to go to the next line, we use end line here. So this is about the formatted console or the standard IO operation. So coming to the formatted file IO operation, we'll see here. See, formatted file IO operation. This is the formatted file IO operation. See, previously we are dealing with the standard input output. Here we deal with the files input and output. Okay. See, in general, text files store everything as text. Okay, large numbers are stored. For example, if you want to store 54,335 number, how it is stored? It is stored like this: 5, 4, comma also as a number, comma 3 to 5. Okay, this is inefficient sometimes. Okay, this process is inefficient sometimes. So what is this files do is, with the help of the files we can include different kinds of the files. How we'll see here. To help file system distinguish between the text and the binary files, see, to understand the difference between the text and the binary files. Binary files means what? That means files present in zeros and ones. Files need to understand the difference between the text file and the binary file. For that purpose, C++ provide one additional object. That additional object is IOS, input output stream binary. Okay, this flag we include, input output stream binary flag we will include to differentiate the text and the binary file. Okay, binary file can store not only integers, strings, but also data structure. Okay, these binary files, they can store the integers, strings, as well as the data structures. So now see here, let me take the example program. Ash include iostream using namespace std conio.h. These three similar in any C++ program. Next, see here, we are including files now here. That is why I am including the header file. Hash include fstream, file stream. Okay, this is needed when we are using the file streams. So here I am taking the class. My class is of the type class. I am taking the class employee. Okay, class employee, and class is of type private. Members will take private form only, no? So simply we take employee and we read the employee details, we display the employee details, simple. So depending on the size, this program is little bit big in size, but don't think that it is difficult. This program is easy actually. See here, I'll explain. Class employee. So in the class employee, I am taking the private members. See, integer, first one is the employee ID I am taking. Next, employee name, it is of the size 100. Next, designation I am taking of the size 100. Next, in the public, say I am including one function in the public. What is that? Read employee. Okay, whatever members we have taken, we will read that and we will print that. That's it. See, void read employee. Okay, read employee, that means taking input only, no? Enter employee ID. That three things we have taken: employee ID, employee name, designation. That only for that input I am taking. That's it. See out, enter employee ID. See in employee ID. Okay, you have taken employee ID here. See out employee name. For taking the employee name, here I am using the getLine function. Okay, so if it is the big, my name is like Sri Ramasai, I can take that using getLine only. Okay, that is why I am using getLine function. See in getLine, employee name comma size, maximum size up to 100 characters you can enter. See out, enter designation. See in getLine, designation comma 100. Okay, input I have taken for the three things. First one is employee ID, employee name, and the employee designation. Next, we need to display that, right? Void display employee. See out, employee ID equal to employee ID. I am displaying end line. In the next line I should get employee name. I am displaying. See out, employee name, end line. See out, designation. Okay, till now what have we done is, we have taken a class of the type employee. In that, see, we have this one function is reading employee, taking detail, displaying employee details. That's it, nothing difficult here. So next I am taking int main, because we need to create object for this employee class now. That is why I am taking int main. So see how I am creating the object. Employee emp, I am creating emp object for the employee class. See, in that emp I am calling the read employee. See, my call is here to here, read employee. See, next we will perform some file operation. Okay, character file name. Here my file file name is itself the file name. Okay, this is the file name. Character, for example, if I take Raja, that is the file name here. In the same way, I am taking file name only as the file name. Character file name equal to emp dot that. Okay, this is the file name. Character, it is of the type character, file name equal to emp dot that. See, next we are writing objects into that file. How to write objects into that file? See here, file stream I am using. File stream. To perform operation with the files, we use file stream. File stream, file, file stream, file. Okay. Next I am opening the file in the open mode. See, I have explained the open mode. File dot open. This is the file name. I said no. Here file name is file name itself. File dot open, file name, comma, ios. See, in the we can perform another operation like ios out. That means output operation. ios in the binary. Okay, in binary format we are doing the output operation. Okay, in the binary format we are doing the output operation. So it is new to us, but it is not completely difficult. It is easy only. Try to understand. Write an object to the file. I am taking an object, that is file is an object here for the class fstream. File dot open. I am opening the file in the open mode. Here my file name, comma, ios out, output, and in the binary mode. See, if not equal to file, if this is not a file, then we need to get an error message. Error in creating the file. Return -1. Okay, we have taken int now, we need to return something. Next, if it is a file, what we are doing? See, we are doing the write operation.